Good day, my beloved friends, relatives, and family. This is not an accident that you are watching me now or you're viewing this video because God is maybe touching your heart. But before we go anywhere in this message, let me begin by telling you something that will pierce right into your heart. God knows you, really. God knows you. He knows your thought, your tears, your prayers, and even the desires that you have never spoken to another living soul. Yes, there are dreams buried so deep inside of you that perhaps you may have been afraid to speak them aloud. But God has heard them as whisper of